I'm Master Ferdinand from Sri Lanka. I'm presently at one of my good friends' residences with a lot of flowers around me. I would like to speak to you on the missions to Mars in the year 2030. There may be habitats maybe in the year 2040 with these missions to Mars being started in the early 2030s. One may say, why go to Mars? Well, that will be the stepping stone to go beyond to the nearest stars. Well, one thinks of Mars, it is a planet which has a lot of, say, similarities to Earth. Although it has a lot of carbon dioxide in it, one can use greenhouse effect or what you call glass houses to convert this carbon dioxide into oxygen by using plants, and this way human habitats will be seen in the year 2040 in plenty. When one thinks of Mars, it is a place where there is no gravity, especially people who have heart problems and all. It will be a very good resting place, and it will be the place where the launching pad to the nearest stars will be done. For example, the recent discovery of a sun having 7 planets similar to Earth and 3 of them in the region where there is life. Maybe the starting point will be from Mars to journey to that point, which is the star which has 7 planets, which they say is around 40 light years. Well, 40 light years is a big amount of time, because that means 40 years to go, 40 years to come. So that means at least one generation will have to spend on a spaceship, and only the second generation will be able to conquer those planets. Well, there may be people who will undertake that mission, who will want to go to these planets, because some of these planets may be empty, with no life at all, but where human life can thrive. So when you go to see, in another 30 years' time, the Earth will not be the only habitat for Homo sapiens. The outer planets and even the stars or the suns, which are around 40 light years away, will be habitats of the human race. And the human race that started as an ape is today become an astronaut, and very soon we will be becoming people who will be conquering the outer planets. And more wealth to the human race will coming from these asteroids that will be used in space. Already asteroids are being mined for some of their minerals or metals that are used in the electronic industry. So very soon the United Nations will have to draw up plans that all of humanity develops benefits for it, and the development or economic development goes to everyone. So one can see that space missions are not only for space, but it helps mankind on the whole, and the resources of it can be used for future generations. And the Earth will not be the only habitat for the human race. There will be many planets in the outer regions of space. Well, like we have discovered 40 light years away, there is a star which has planets similar to Earth. There will be human habitats all over the place in the universe or in the galaxy of the Milky Way. And we will know that the Earth is not the only home for man, and habitats, mankind will put his signature all over in the cosmos, especially in the Milky Way. So with these thoughts I will close.